using the Spring Boot integrated with Kafka, and we have Kafka producers and consumers together. Okay, so let's see. Here initially I have the Zookeeper already running, and then I have the Kafka server running. So let's navigate to the code. So I have two packages here, one is for producer and one is consumer. Producer's responsibility is to generate the messages and post to the corresponding topics, and consumer would read those messages from those topics. Alright, so let's navigate to the producer. So here I have two examples. One is an example 2 where we have a high level view of the topics that we create, and then those topics will be consumed by the consumers, which are defined in the application. Okay, we have message producers and message consumers. So basically message producers will produce the messages as mentioned before, and if you take the consumer thing, we can find the similar examples here, like we have Kafka consumer here. Okay, to run this example, basically we need to navigate to the corresponding directory where you have launched the application. Okay, so here I have Kafka Spring Boot producer. So initially I will build it using Maven. Okay, tests are not working right now, so I want to skip the test cases. So the once we have the Spring producer and consumer start running, so you can see the topics that were generated automatically by the Spring over here. But if I am using partitions, basically I need to create the partitioned topic over here. So right now Spring is not handling. I am looking into that option, so why it is not handling. So only for this topic I am creating manually right now using the command over here, create command. So this is the create command for the topic. So using this command I am creating the partition topic here. Alright, so we have the producer already compiled. So let's start the producer. Okay, so I want to show how the code is working right now. So basically we have a producer over here. In the producer we have Kafka REST consumer. Okay, so and also Kafka REST publisher. So Kafka REST, I have created a REST service with name send. Okay, once you click on the send, invoke the REST service of send. So what it is doing is that it is invoking the send message of the producer service. So the producer service is generating a dummy messages. So that we have the Kafka consumer service, which we have annotated using the Spring, that it is listening, it is continuously listening to the particular topic. So this topic is being configured in the application.properties. So in I have given all the list of topics that needs to be generated. So according to the annotations, the topics were getting generated. So that is how the application is running. So once it receives a record, it consumes the records. So right now we have let's start the server. Okay, the server is started now. So let me go and ping the REST service which I have written for this. So I'm just invoking that. So once I invoke, the message just gets generated and then the consumption happens. So it has already completed. You can see the completion time is, this is the time, and the time after completing publishing is 1690. You can see the time carefully. So the time lapse, there is nil time, it's real time. Basically the time it is publishing and the time it is consuming, it's generally the real time. And we have keys which you can use as a unique keys for each of the messages, and offset can be used to either to set the message time, lifetime of the message in the partition. So that is all. Thank you.